there, I'm back to let you know how it's been going using Color Lux to recolor my natural blonde hair. So I'm doing this video because I know a lot of you did have questions about this, and I've had my other videos up for a while now. So I'm going to tell you what I'm doing now, what's working, what's not. And before I do all of that though, I just want to say thank you for being here. It means a lot to me. For those of you who are new or who aren't regular watchers of my channel, just so you know, I did make a New Year's resolution that I have been sticking with, actually, to care about my channel, the content and the frequency and the subscribers and so on. If you could take a moment to give me a like, a comment, and especially a subscribe, I would really appreciate it. These have been surprisingly popular videos, and I think it's because when I went to use this Color Lux brand for the first time, there was not much information, and I didn't want you guys to have to go what I went through, just kind of guessing and saying, I hope this works. So here we are with this. I have been using this for a while now. This is Color Lux Cocoa, and if you haven't heard my story yet, I've got a few other videos. Basically what happened to my hair is before the pandemic, I was doing a regular platinum balayage over my regular, this is my natural color hair. And when the pandemic happened, you know, my hair went through it. So this hair from about maybe here down is incredibly damaged, and it's a miracle it's still attached to my head. I do have other videos chronicling this journey that I've been through, but essentially what happened was after I stripped out my last salon color, it needed help and fast, to the point where I could not recolor it without compromising the integrity of my hair. So a lot of you have seen that, those videos, and maybe some of you are new. Welcome to my channel. But so anyway, as you can see, I'm clearly still using this, and a lot of you did have questions about how it's going. Can I make it darker? I wanted to show you what I've been doing, what's been working, what has continued to work. Now, in the other videos, if you did not see those, what I did was I put this on combined with another conditioner. I would wash it regularly. I put this on with conditioner to see, like, to kind of gauge how dark my hair was going to get, because this package, specifically this color, does say do not use on light blonde or bleached hair. I don't know if you can see that. I've got light from my window. There you go, see? And I was thinking, you know, I don't want this dark brown color. I just wanted to go back to my medium or dark blonde. This is the natural color I've been trying to match, right? So what ended up happening was it did work, but it took several washes. So I wanted to let you know what I do now to keep the color up it's slightly different than what I was doing before. So basically what I've been doing is this. So every few or every several washes, so maybe once a month, that's not every few washes, that's every several washes, maybe once a month, I will take my Color Lux Cocoa. On dry hair, I will separate my hair like I was going to color it. So I like to part my hair down the middle and part it from the side, and I use just regular clips to clip it up, and I pump this out. I do several pumps, maybe 5 pumps per clump of hair or more, and I pull it through everywhere that you can tell that it was bleached out. This is what I've been doing. I put it on the dry hair at this point. And so as you can see, like, you can tell where it has been bleached versus where it hasn't, but it's not a very extreme color difference. But I do need to do this the next time that I shower. But so anyway, as you can see, the color does still look pretty good. And that also is how I get it darker, because when I was combining this with a conditioner, it was not getting it dark enough. There was still very much a differentiation there. Now, as you can see now, I do need to redo this color, but you can see that the color is still really close. It's almost exact. And that's because I've started putting this on dry. Before I do anything else, I put it on dry and I let it sit for a while. And I really, because my hair was so bleached out, it doesn't take very well. So I do have to let it sit for maybe a half an hour or so. That's a great time if you want to do a facial, or if you wax yourself at home, or, you know, if you want to make a quick dinner even. You know, you can do all of those things while it's sitting, just like if you were dyeing your hair at home. Same thing. So after that, I hop in the shower, and that's when I use the rest of these things here, which is what I'm going to show you. So the next thing that I use is my shampoo. Use whatever shampoo works for you. But if you're trying to match the exact color that I've got here, this is an incredibly cool tone color, to the point where my natural hair color looks green in some light, which is crazy and weird, but you know, we're just trying to color match so we can grow this out, so it is what it is. I've been using various purple shampoos to make sure that the color is toned to the correct, very cool tone that I need to match the hair, again, that is up here. This is my favorite. In my last video, I was using one, I think from Matrix or something, because it was given to me, and that was nice. This one's my favorite. Whether I'm doing this color or platinum, if you need your hair to be cool toned, this is the one. This is Not Your Mother's brand Blonde Moment Purple Treatment Shampoo, and it's the best one I've ever used. I've been using purple shampoos for probably at least half my life, possibly 2/3 of my life. It's extremely dark, as you can see, and it makes a difference within one wash. So no matter what blonde you've got, if you need it to, or brunette, if you need it to be incredibly cool toned, like to a fault, like extremely ashy, this is the one you want. This is the one you want. So that's what I've been doing to wash. And then after I do this, so I leave this in for 3 to 5 minutes while I'm just doing the other things in my shower. After that, the next thing that I do is a very intense conditioner, and it doesn't have any color in it. But so what I'm doing here is I am still caring for the integrity of my hair. If you saw my past videos, you know that I did protein fillers and protein treatments and all of this stuff. For a long time, I was mixing my purple shampoo with a bonding shampoo, as well as afterwards using a bonding conditioner. I'm no longer using the bonding shampoo because my hair's gotten to this point where you see it can kind of deal with life again now. So what I've been using, I picked up these two products. The last time I went to Walmart, I just picked these up because I can't always use expensive hair care products. I think in this economy, none of us can. So I got these two different items. This is L'Oreal Everpure Bond Strengthening Conditioner, and it's just a regular conditioner. And then this one is Anomaly Bonding Treatment Mask. So I figured what I would do is I would use the mask maybe once a week or once every other week, and then I would use this the rest of the time. And so that's what I've been doing. The first time I started this new regimen, because I ran out of all of my hair stuff at the same time, so I got all of this. I did use this for two showers in a row, and ever since then I've been using this one. Now between these two, they both work really well, and I recommend that you try whichever one you feel like trying. I don't know if my hair was just really damaged or if it's just one product versus another. I actually like this L'Oreal better than I like the Anomaly, but I will continue to use both. I think that considering everything that my hair has been through, it's necessary. So, but just so you know, these were both very inexpensive. Both were, I think, under $10. This guy was about $10. And this guy, if you're new, this you can get at Sally's for approximately $14, $15, and it's worth it. It really is. If you need to stain your hair because you cannot put any more harsh chemicals in your hair without it falling out, then this is definitely the color line that you want to use. This isn't actually color, it is a cleansing conditioner that stains your hair. And that's why you have to keep using it every single time that you are in the shower, washing your hair, doing whatever it is you're doing. So those are the things that I've been doing in the shower lately to help with the upkeep of my dark ash blonde hair and to help it grow out. Once it does grow out, I am going to go back to the balayage. I will have my best friend, who is a very talented professional hairstylist, do it at that point. I would never try to bleach or balayage my own hair. That's a line I will not cross, absolutely not. But anyway, so that's what I do. At that point, I do have a few things that I use afterwards, once I get out of the shower, to kind of really smooth it out and make sure that it feels good, it feels nice. As you can see, even though it has been incredibly damaged, it looks very nice and sleek right now. So what I do after every single shower is I use another Not Your Mother's product. This is called All Eyes on Me. This is like a hair serum, you know, one of those hair primers. They call this the 10-in-1 Hair Perfector with natural keratin. So this is also very good for hair that has been damaged. This has 10 instant benefits. Let's see what they all are because I can never remember. Adds body, supposedly. Detangles, adds shine, protects, moisturizes, controls frizz, repairs dry hair, heat protection, mends split ends, and creates silkiness. To be honest, I use it as a hair detangler because it does some good stuff and because it smells like cotton candy. I think it's cotton candy. Is it cotton candy? We're going to find out. Hang on. It smells like cotton candy. I love this. This is amazing. Whew. Anyway, after that, once my hair is dry, the very last thing that I do, and I'm usually air drying my hair. If I use a blow dryer, which is rare because I really don't want to hurt the hair, but if I am, then yes, I will use a gel. I'm using, oh, I don't remember the brand. I think the brand is Sexy Hair, and it's like a red and black container of hair gel. I do put a little bit of that hair gel in for added body and also heat protectant, so I do use that. Otherwise, I just let my hair air dry. Either way, if it is still a little bit frizzy because it has been through a lot, what I've been using, the last thing I've been using just to smooth it down is a little bit of this Amika brand Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. This is amazing. Now, this is a salon product. I do like this brand, but I don't have very many of their products because, again, you know, I have salon style dreams on like a Walmart budget. So most of this stuff is not salon quality stuff, but this was given to me as a gift. I really love it. So this one will take hair that does look damaged and old and over bleached. And if you smooth just a little bit of it on, you don't want to use too much. And it really creates this nice, shiny, smooth, just chill finish. And so all of this together is what I've been doing to maintain this hair. And again, you do want to do the color on dry hair and let it sit for like a half an hour whenever you see the color starting to come out a little bit. I don't use this in every single shower. Sometimes it will get kind of dull, in which case I just skip this for like one shower or two showers, one or two washes, and then it gets a little bit lighter, closer to the natural color, because you don't want it too dark either. This has gotten a little bit too dark for me. There were some of you who were asking that. Now, I don't think that we are ever going to get this fifth wash, like beautiful cocoa color on hair that's been bleached out like mine was. But if you've got hair, I don't know if it would work if you bleached your hair, if it was incredibly dark hair and then you bleached it to like maybe this color, because yeah, you bleach to different levels. Maybe if you left it on for a really long time and just kept using it every time, then perhaps it would work for you. So I do recommend that if that was your question, you do go ahead and try it. But realistically, a little bit darker than this, so basically matching this hair color, is as dark as I've gotten it because that's as much as I've needed. Or like maybe even slightly darker or duller than this, and I say duller because I was also using this stuff at the same time, so that was a mistake. You can also get too dull. If you get too dull, like I said, do one or two washes without this color. You can always put it back in. It's very, very temporary. And then you can also always use like some sort of gloss, like one of these, or even a silicone spray if you want. When I dyed my hair brown, just as one last note, one of the things that I read is that the kiss of death to a brown color hair, or you know, something like this, maybe it's a darker blonde, is for it to not be shiny. And that's the difference between like a beautiful luxe brunette or dark blonde color and one that you're thinking, I need to do something with this hair. So it's just all in the shine. So this is what I've been doing to keep the color and the shine. I really hope that that helped you. I hope that that answered all of your questions because I know there were many. And I'm so happy again that you were here with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Please tell me, let me know, have you used this brand or any of these? What do you think? How is it working for you? Are you doing something different in a similar hair circumstance? I would love to know what you guys are doing. Please go ahead and tell me. Tell me if you have any other questions that I didn't answer because I'd be more than happy to tell you more about this later. I know in my last video also, I asked you what other colors you would like me to try of this brand, and I did not ignore you. I heard you. They are great, great ideas. I just haven't, I've been just dealing with a lot of stuff, so I've been keeping it at this very natural color for me right now, but I would like to try some of the other colors. For example, that some of the red and purpley colors, yeah, I would like to try more of those. So anyway, give me a comment. Let me know what you thought about these, what's working for you, what's not. I would love to hear from you. But in any case, good luck with your hair, and I will see you again soon. Bye.